What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skate Park check-in across New York City. I am Vincent Basile, Anthony Biondo behind the lens. Today we have Dougie Avocado and Gustavo with us. If you guys haven't been watching or not up to date, we've been going to every park in every borough in New York City. This is episode 37. We're still in the Bronx, New York. We arrived at Mullaly Skate Park.
Can you say this might be the first skate park in New York City?
This might be the first skate park in New York City, but I don't really want to call it a skate park. It's like a bike park. Emphasis on the bike part. There's a lot of quarter pipes, all made out of wood. It looks like it's pretty janky. Let's go show you this place. Yeah, I'm not liking it. I'm looking and I'm not liking it. We're gonna start right here. This big quarter pipe, coping built into it. Look at that, guys, right off the bat. Let's show you some of the defects. This whole wall is pretty much a quarter pipe in different sizes. It's like 6 foot here, 4 foot here, and then you got this big ass wall ride, and then like another wall ride and a bigger quarter. It's almost like completely verted. And look, a mini ramp, quarter built on the back of it. It looks janky, wooden and janky. We are gonna count up the number of fly boxes. So here's one. If I don't like it, I'm probably not even gonna hit it. Look. If you got a bike, you're good, but skating, it's gonna be hard. Number 2. Tree. 4. Right next to the 4th is this rolling. Never seen anything like this before. It's wooden, but it's shaped weird.
It's like a Quaker hat.
Yeah, it's different. And it's got like this quarter right next to this fence too, but it's still janky. Everywhere you look, the wood is compromised. All right, here's another weird section. A rolling point. We use it as a quarter pipe. Everything looks messed up. It's like laminate. You gotta look at this little bowl section. The coping is weird. It's just metal, flattened over. There's a lot of maintenance going on daily to try to keep this park from really falling apart.
Which is good, but they should probably just get a new skate park.
Yeah, the bikers probably go crazy. I don't even see any skateboarders here but us right now. Moving forward, that's different. We usually, what the? It's like a wall ride. Air out, hit the wall, go back in. Hey, how's it going? Oh, he's building right now. We're gonna move down. I'm sure you've changed the channel by now. You're past this park and you're like, I don't want to go here already. But if you're still watching, more jankiness, a rolling at the top, that's different. If you got enough air, you're getting on that box. And another quarter pipe over there. How many quarter pipes are gonna be in this park?
And one in the corner too. Is that the one you're talking?
One in the corner. You won't go over the fence. I won't. That's what usually is on the ramps, so you're not getting caught up on the wood.
River Avenue vibes.
It's that New York vibe. Most of you don't come around here because you're shook.
Established 1988.
This is more like a street section. Watch your rolling. But that fun box looks fun. Up the bank, up to the fun box. And then on the other side, it's bigger, but they have these sheets of metal, like, just chilling. I don't know what the hell's going on. More fly boxes and big ramps. Janky is all hell. It's my job to show you the park, and I'm showing it to you. All right, here's a little, I don't know what you call it. We've never seen anything quite like this. Double rolling and a box in the middle, hubba next to the pyramid. That looks like a skatable object. What do you think, Ant?
I like it.
So far, that's like the only thing that I like.
There's still some jankiness.
If you look over here, we have a spine and a janky ass quarter pipe. Show you these two roll-ins, speed bumps. Snake run. Snake run. It's patched together. Like they just find pieces, and when it starts breaking, they patch it in. Makes it extra sketchy. Be careful. Watch out for screws. Splinters. You get a splinter when you come here. A rail. A bank with a rail in it. It looks rusty as hell. Hopefully we have some wax. This is something that could be hit through skateboarding. You just gotta get creative, I guess. But look, tops of these ramps, if you're not paying attention, you're gonna eat it. Yo, you ever eat wood chips and concrete? I have. It don't taste good.
Outside of the park, there's a small box and it's concrete.
Yo, that's where we're gonna skate, actually. We're just gonna skate that little mani pad.
And then also behind there, there's like another like little fun box.
We're gonna check, you wanna check that out, or? You guys definitely skipped this video already. That's interesting, but hard to get to. This is fun for all. Look at it.
The Action logo. That's it.
It's built for bikers.
Oh my god. Yo. Kill me? Hit me with the ground report.
Not good. It's chopped up, cracks. All the ramps are like questionable. They don't have those metal plates all over the place. Overall, ground report, a D-. You're just getting by.
You're passing, but it's not good. Not gonna hang it on the fridge.
I used to get by with a D, and I used to try to pencil a line, like a B, and then I erased it, and then I'm like, I shouldn't have erased it. I always got caught. I don't know about you, because you're sitting at a computer, but I know for a fact that I don't want to be here. Is that wrong to say? It's all bikers here. I've only seen bikers. Listen, if this is your local, and that's all you got, there's another
River Avenues, yeah, literally like around the block. Why would you come here?
Yeah, skateboarders, do not come here. I'm giving you a heads up. That's why I'm doing this. Just thank me now. Leave a comment. We're not skating anymore. There's like 100 quarter pipes. That rail, we're gonna show you tricks on a rail that looks exactly like that on another park, because we're leaving. Dude, we're out of here because I'm done. I'm done wasting my time. I'm done wasting Ant's time, and I'm done wasting your time.
Wait, you gotta do the finishing part.
Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Find us on all social media. Maybe not all social media because we're not on TikTok. We ain't making no TikTok videos. We're not on Grundle neither, but we are on Facebook and Instagram. More importantly anything, Instagram at Rad Boardsport Co. Our website, www.radboardsport.co. We have the interactive skate map. Sorry about the noise. You have music in the back. Got the train tracks right there. This is New York City. What do you expect? You know what I'm saying? You don't know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? You don't know what I'm saying. That's the park. Get another good look. I'm thankful for all the hard workers that, you know, keep this place, you know, somewhat up to date. No disrespect. 1988. So stop playing with these guys. You know, they've been out here doing this. Shout out to Doug. Shout out to Goose. He'll be skating soon. We're out of here, man. That's it. I'm sorry. We're leaving. You got minimum clips today.
But we showed you the park.
Who's gonna pay for that? Okay, update. They didn't call it the Mullaly Park. Mullaly. Whatever they did, they didn't call it Mullaly. They're updating this park in a year. They want to work on this. They want it to be friendly for everybody. They're working on it. But I just met the two guys that run this, and they're super rad. They're very welcoming. So they want to renovate, but things are hard. Hopefully sooner than later, they'll get to that project. And we're looking forward to seeing the renovation. Don't forget to ride all day. But we're riding half days. Next year, look out for a reconstruction of the Mullaly skate park. I could have said that wrong.